Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money in Webull. We'll dive into the various ways you can potentially grow your capital on this popular trading platform. Webull offers a range of investment options, from stocks and exchange-traded funds to options and even cryptocurrencies. Understanding these tools is your first step. We'll cover some straightforward methods to help you get started and maximize your earning potential, focusing on practical approaches for new and experienced traders alike. One primary method to earn on Webull is through stock and exchange-traded fund trading. Focus on identifying companies with solid fundamentals and growth prospects. Exchange-traded funds offer a great way to diversify your portfolio across various sectors or asset classes with a single investment. Remember to use Webull's analytical tools, like charts and indicators, to help you make informed decisions about when to buy and sell. Patience and research are key to successful long-term investing. For those looking for more advanced strategies, Webull also supports options trading and short selling. Options can provide significant leverage, allowing you to control a large number of shares with a smaller capital outlay, but they come with higher risk. Short selling involves borrowing shares and selling them, hoping to buy them back at a lower price. Always use risk management tools, such as stop-loss orders, to protect your capital when engaging in these more complex trading activities. Another excellent way to make money on Webull is through dividend investing. Many companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders, providing a steady stream of passive income. Reinvesting these dividends can significantly compound your returns over the long term, helping your wealth grow exponentially. Remember, a disciplined, long-term approach often yields the best results. For more insights on building wealth, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a valuable resource for anyone serious about financial independence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.